Gold and silver traded with modest bullishness and in a very tight and narrow range yesterday. We have seen gold is struggling at 3330, 3340 zone. We have discussed yesterday why it is a critical zone for gold to break beyond, and likewise with silver 3820, 3840 has offered a very good resistance. So what to expect? Also notice, see the support levels on the downside are getting strong. We have seen a struggle on the downside, and the metals try to retrace on the upside rather than showing a bearish move. So what to expect today? Big day today. The FOMC and Chairman Powell's press conference is going to drive the markets volatile. Which direction it's gonna go, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver today. We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Now look at the move in gold here. See the drop, retracement, then retracement, then retracement. Then now after the drop, it is retracement. Now where you should consider this for a reversal? Once gold prices trades beyond 3350 levels, then you can say it is trying to reverse, and a complete reversal in gold prices is only and only if it trades beyond 3374.75 and then the next 3400. If these levels are taken, it is heading for a massive reversal. Else what's happening? Notice this, after this greater sharp drop, it is just staying in zone, trading in this bullish channel. Where are the highs aiming at? 3340. Now this is the zone gold needs to breach. 3340, 45, 3353 key levels on the upside, which gold needs to breach in order to confirm the bullish reversal. What's happening? It is consolidating in a zone here. The moving averages have converged here, not yet crossed over on the buy side yet, but also on the downside the supports are getting stronger. See the support here at 33.8, 33.08, very strong. Now the next support at 33.1820. This zone is also on the downside, a very strong support zone for gold. The stochastic rising, and when you see the MACD, this is also rising, while the RSI is almost staying flat. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, you can see similar observation here. See trading in a very narrow range. See, in general, when you see such move here, this is just a retracement trade and not yet confirming a reversal. It is just pulling back the indicators which were trading slightly oversold into a you can say comfortable zone, so that it can take a direction again. But see, this direction can be any which ways. It can try to trap some of the buyers by showing a breakout on the upside and then reverse immediately. This possibility exists is strong here. Now see what's happening here. You can see lower highs here, you can see higher lows here. This is a consolidation zone. We have to wait for it to either trade below 33 2018 zone, or on the upside now 33 36 33 40 45 50. Till 3350 it has got very strong resistance. The stochastic at the top, the MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with moderate bullishness. We have discussed this yesterday. See, this has formed a double bottom. It may try to trade with moderate bullishness. The RSI is placed comfortably. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, notice what's happening. See, prices retraced towards 20 period. See, this was very important because see, prices were trading with sharp divergence from 20 period. It has retraced here. It is getting a very good resistance at the same zone. The next candle is going to hold the key here. It is possible that it can in fact move towards this zone, which is at around 3350, where you can also see the 50 and 100 period crossing over, which is also a very good resistance now. The stochastic is rising. The MACD, after a quick sharp retracement, it is now crossed over, and it appears it is looking forward to a V-shaped recovery, but right now I can say it is too early to conclude. It may try to stay like this for a couple of candles or more and then take a dip. RSI rising, coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation on the 4 hour chart. See the drop here, retracement, higher lows are seen. Possibly this may try to move towards higher highs, which means 33 40 45 50 can be seen here, which is a very good resistance till 3350, and then beyond that is where we can see the bulls taking over here. But I'll say till 33 75 76 and then 3400, these levels you should watch out for. Right now if you see, the moving averages have crossed over and these are trading with divergence and bearishness. The stochastic at top here also, if you see the MACD which has dropped sharp, it is trying to bounce back. Now notice the highs which it has seen was plus 20, and it is still got lot much of downside available. So it is not that it cannot cross over. When it is turned bearish, it can again cross over for sell, but right now it is showing bullish momentum. The RSI is also rising here. Coming to daily, now on the daily charts, notice first after the drop, rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement. It was trading in this channel, it has breached this channel. Now it appears that it is trying to create something like this here. Let's watch out, see what has happened yesterday. We have seen After these four red candles, we have seen higher lows, lower highs taking over here. Now see the 50 period on the daily charts is offering it a very good resistance, which suggests that if you see now gold trading beyond 33.36, you can buy here for 33.40, 33.45, and then 33.50, the most important one. As long as 33.50 is not taken, we have to be careful with the buys. Once 33.50 is taken, possibility exists that we may see 33.75, 76, or in fact 3400 levels. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone, while the MACD on the daily charts is bearish here, it is looking downwards, and the RSI is. Now before I provide you the levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, join my next mentorship batch starting 1st of September. Only limited intake we take, and thus limited seats are available. Reserve your seats now itself. We solely deliver on first come first serve basis. Write an email or ping me or telegram for your queries related to the batch. Else you can be part of my signals channel on telegram. We are trading as per the signals also, you can profit. Connect with me for queries. And it is also very important for you to have a trusted partner which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Do find it and connect. Now, where to buy? Buying entries are pretty clear now. 33, 35, 36 should be an ideal buying entry for us, where you can expect it to move towards 33.40, 44.45 and 33.50. Till 33.50, gold has got very strong resistance here, beyond which you can expect it to move towards 33, 60, 62, 33, 74, 76, and then 33, 85, 3400 as the next target. Though right now I am not yet supportive of such a rise that it is going to go towards 3400. It is possible that it can show you swings delivering a breakout all the way towards 3350, 3360. It can show you a pullback later. This is something, the swings are definitely going to be there. This is something you should be careful of. On the downside now, where you should remember the buying entry yesterday 33.26. Now that becomes a selling entry. You can sell here at rather 33.25 levels, but then you have to exercise extreme caution. 33.18.20, very good support here, and then below that 33.08, 33.12 zone. This is a $4 zone which is going to offer the next support. Below 33.08, stay short for 3300. Below 3300, we are waiting, we are looking for a greater correction in gold prices where 2880 can be 3280 can be seen, and below 3280 we can expect a greater down move towards 3250, 3200 levels very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. See, silver on the hourly charts, what a beautiful move it is showing. See, this is just staying in a zone after this greater dip, just bringing back the indicators in a comfortable zone so that it can take a direction either which ways. Now on the upside, I have mentioned yesterday as well, 3820, 3840 is the maximum resistance zone for silver here. If and only if it trades beyond 3840, expect a move towards 3860, 3880 and $39. See, beyond 3860, ideally we can look forward to 39, but I'll say till 39 you can rather trail with a 20 cents trailing stop loss, which means beyond 38.30 you can expect 38.40, 38.60, 38.80 and then 39 at the next resistance. Beyond 39 it is not going to come back. But what's happening after the drop? It is consolidating in a zone, and a breakout either which ways is going to deliver a stronger move. Stochastic rising here, the MACD has retraced, the RSI is rising as well. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. See, notice the preceding few candles, it has formed a tail trying to break out. Just let it stay beyond 38.30, 38.40 zone, and this should invite more moves. But the notice the crossover in the moving averages is on the sell side, which is not a supportive sign for further bullishness. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI rising. On the 3-hour, similar observation here. Notice this. This is a sideways move here, waiting for a breakout here, and a breakout will confirm the direction here. Notice, see, the crossover here is sharp, and this means more bearishness ahead, and that is why I say till 3860 you have to be extremely careful. Stochastic placed comfortably. The MACD interestingly has crossed over after a sharp drop, and this confirmed the continuation of retracement. The RSI is rising. On the 4-hour, see this on the 4-hour charts, what it did here, retracement, then a pullback, and again trying to bounce back. The resistance here till 38.40, 38.60 pretty strong, and thus I'll only recommend you to buy if you now see silver trading above 38.40, where you can expect 38.60, 80 or $39 levels at the next targets. It is possible that it can reverse completely. See what has happened here is replicating here, and see also notice this is delivering higher lows and higher highs. So once it tries to break out here, it might move towards the highs, and the highs are now aiming at $40 levels. Stochastic rising here. The MACD after hitting the bottom has crossed over, which is a supportive sign for further rise, and the RSI is rising as well. Coming to the daily charts, the important look at the daily charts after the reversal sign. It has formed a symmetrical move here. It has breached the support levels, and now you can see the 20 period is offering it a very good support. Only consideration you can see here is first the double bottom yesterday, second a smaller green body, third lower highs. And that is why I say it is very important for silver to trade beyond 38.40, beyond which you can stay bullish, expect 38.60, 80, 39. Beyond 39, there is no looking back. See, it was trading with divergence, it has taken the support and bouncing back, which is a good sign for the bulls. Stochastic is oversold, but look at MACD crossing over here at the top, trading bearish looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. So considering this, even if you see silver trading beyond 38.30, that is the lower price above 38.30, you can buy here. Expect 38.45, 38.65, 38.80 and 39 as the next targets. Oh, I will say till 39, it is riskier trade. You have to trail your stop losses. And if you see your trade is in profit, keep booking profits, keep re-entering. That is what you can do. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 37.90, 37.80 zone, which is a very critical, very strong support zone. If you see silver trading below 37.90, 37.80, stay short for 37.50, 37.40 as the first target zone, and 37 the ultimate one. Below 37, a greater correction should follow. You should be careful of. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Was that as well. Thank you.